So I'm home alone today. We just will do some housework. Maybe I might go out later because I don't think I'm gonna cook, so probably I'll eat something outside. Yes, clothes. I have to wash the clothes. I have to wash dishes. I have to make the bed, put the clothes out, and probably after that, depending on whatever time it is, I'll see if we should go out. So let's get started. Okay, so my work is done. I will go grab lunch. I'm going to have fish thali. I'm going to a new place actually, the Farm Deck restaurant. It's close by. It's 6 minutes, I think, from my place, from where I stay. Because the place I usually go for fish thali, that's closed today. I'm feeling lazy to go out, but I'm feeling bored to sit inside also and order something or cook something because I'm alone today. So I shall go. I'll just go get fresh, wear something comfy, and leave. Okay, I'll just quickly put some sunscreen. And my sunscreen is over. Yeah. I need to buy this one. Is really nice. It's really nice because my skin is it's over. I whatever is there. I know that's not enough, but I used to hate putting sunscreen before. I mean, I used to put, but then my face used to just be like so oily. Yeah, like I used to be like a glazed donut if I stepped out. So like fully oily, my face used to be. So I stopped putting sunscreen. But when I for my wedding, yeah, my makeup artist, she recommended this sunscreen for me, and she told me that even if you're an oily type, that one is really good. So if you are an oily skin girl or guy, that's really nice. Like it's not sticky. I can't show you right now because I mean it's gone. I'll go and buy one now when I'm going out. Yeah, so just sunscreen and a little bit of lippy, and then we shall head out. This is a PH lip balm, I think. I don't know what you call this, but it changes color. See, and it does not go. Oh, also I need to remove this stash of mine. I'll just put a little cream. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna do much because it's just fish thali. Okay. I'll go. I'll wear something comfy. I think I'll just wear shorts, I think. But it's too sunny. Maybe I'll just wear jeans. Okay, I'll decide that. Bye. So because it's afternoon, I'm just wearing jeans and a basic top. This top I wore the other day also for dinner. For those who don't know me, if I like something, I am going to ragudify it. Like I will wear it on loop till I'm like, okay, fine, it's done. I need to change. But yeah, that's one thing about me. Like for example, this bag. It's been 2 years. This fanny pack. Sorry, my mic is there, but this fanny pack is the best purchase. One of the best purchases I have done. It is handy. It remains at front. It does not remain behind. It's on your shoulder. The only thing, I have a habit of carrying a lot of things, so it gives me like a creak over here. But if you're a person who likes to carry minimal things, I stuff so many things in my chotu bag. That's just me. I'm like the worst case scenario kind of a person. Like worst case scenario, if I need this, if I have like I have so many things. Pen, a comb and a mirror, hair tie, perfume just in case, a cutter just in case. I'm a just in case kind of a girl. The face wash. Sometimes when you go to these, what do you call it? Fish thali places, they don't really have soap. Even if they have soap, it's mixed with water. So that smell of that fish does not go. So I use my face wash to wash my hands. Opener, like why would I need an opener? A tweezer. Okay, tweezer we require. Sometimes suddenly we see some stash here and there to just a nail cutter, hand sanitizer, and so many. Like so this chotu bag pothing takes a lot of load. It has literally lost its color. I don't know if you can see. It has lost its color, but 2 years I have been using it straight for everything. Yeah, not for dinners. I change my bags for dinners, but when I'm going out on the bike especially, it's really 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 handy. So coming back to the point, yes, if I like something, and this t-shirt my friend gave me for my birthday now recently, so I'm in love with this top. The only problem with cutting your hair like this, especially if you're a person who travels on bike, if you're going by car, it's really nice to style, but if you're on the bike, you gotta get all that out of your face. Yeah. Suppose we are good to go. Okay, so I was getting ready, like I put my jacket and whatever, but I wanted to show you all this. You know how girls put that scarf around your like their face? That's also nice, but also these, what are they called? Bandanas, I think so. So this also you get it like this, right? The outside, the printed part, you put it inside. You put both. You put your one hand here. You put your other hand over here. Okay, so basically you keep it like that inside. Okay, so you put both your hands. You hold it. You twist it, and you bring one side out. So it actually becomes like a small topi, because obviously it's inside the helmet, right? So you don't have to worry about that. Yes, but if your helmet is open, my helmet is fully closed, but if your helmet is open, then I think the wraparound scarf is good because it covers your mouth as well. But if you have a full helmet, and also my helmet is a little bit loose on me, so it really helps it to keep it. Mommy, ugh. There's a spider inside my helmet. Okay, so see, it keeps it very firm and it does not move. So if you like that, but if you're obviously, like how I said, if you have an open helmet, then the other one is better. So once you close this, that there is no dust going inside. Bike pro tips. It's bike pro tips from Heather. Okay, I have a Fasino. Okay, it's still a bike, not a geared bike, but I have my cute little baby Fasino. Let's go. My baby. She's fully dirty right now because of the rains, but there is a lot of noise and y'all can't hear me. But look at this bee. I threw this comb that it's making. I threw it down 2 times, but it still comes, lifts it up for my bike, and he starts his home again. It's home again. What do I do, yeah? Like breaking its home, but what do I do? Go. Shoot. Oh, I don't know if you saw it fly. I have reached the place, but I think for my bad luck, the place is closed. But it said open. I've just stopped somewhere on the way. The place is closed, so I don't know what to do. I will Google another place because I want to try something new. However, if nothing is open, I think Heartbeat Mapsa, I think it should be open. But before that, I will just check on Google and see if there is any other place. Lunch is done. I'm thinking of going and getting my bike washed. The thing is, where do I go to wash it? It's Sunday today. But let's see, let's find a place. Sorry about this angle. Heartbeat is very close to Max. So I thought I'll just go and window shop. The minute I come for window shopping, I know I'm going to find something. The day I come to shop, I don't find anything. So let's see what we get. If we get something. I'm not come to buy anything. Just because I said that I will find something, although I have not come to buy anything, I knew because I said it on the camera, I type this will become my job. Shit, where did I keep my keys? Second. Got it. Let's go wash my bike. So roaming for almost half an hour, I finally got a bike wash. Neetu ka spine auto glass. I'm back home and today something very strange, not strange, something very funny, something funny happened. Like I went for my bike wash and then I was recording and then the people who were washing my bike after I was leaving, they're like, "Ma'am, आप vlog करते हो, आप vlogger हो." Now what to tell them? भाई मैंने अब भी चालू किया और मेरे सिर्फ 200 followers है. But then I don't know, I was so like skeptical. Although on Instagram I'm there for a very long time, and over there at least for naam purpose I have like 4,000 followers. I just told them like मैंने अब भी start किया है, but you all can watch if you all want to. But it was so weird. Does anybody else feel like that? I mean, I'm doing it for fun, like as of now at least. Eventually one day I feel like, I mean, you know, even I want to go travel, tell people my experiences of life, because in general I am a very quiet person. If it comes to my dancing, yes, I'm out there, I can be on stage. 1 second, my hand is paining. Let me just keep the phone somewhere. Yeah, so I put it on the stand, so it's a little bit more better, and lighting is better. I don't know, I still feel the lighting is not okay. Okay, this is better. Yeah, so otherwise I am a quiet person. Like, even I don't know if my friends will agree to that, because when I'm out there with my friends, I'm quite the talkative one. But if I meet somebody new and all, some people can really gel very well, but not me. But camera, somehow I'm very, like, I feel nice in front of the camera. Even when I was a child, my dad used to just remove the phone and he used to click my pictures, and I used to be very happy, like, in front of the camera. So I don't know, I feel very comfortable talking to the camera and imagining that someone is, imagining, no, there is someone behind it. But yeah, so yeah, that's the thing. So eventually what I was saying was that I hope someday, I don't know, that it could also be something big for me. Like I heard somewhere that there is an audience for everybody. So I'm hoping that I get my audience also, who likes what I show and what I do. I don't have like a specific thing that I show. I'm just showing my regular daily life. But yeah, if I get my audience, that nothing like it. And yeah, that was a nice day, guys. You all should try going alone if you all have not tried it. I used to do this before, like I used to go shopping alone. I used to go for all my haircuts, this, that, everything alone. I used to never take anybody. I do have friends, but I mean, I suppose I'm just not good in keeping touch with anybody. I'll take the blame on me. But now since we have got married, I have not gone alone anywhere. So it actually feels good. It feels good to go alone, be by yourself, and yeah, you should try it. My next thing is go for a movie alone. I've never done that before, and I know a lot of people who have done that. But somehow going for a movie and just if the movie is funny or the movie is sad, like who do you, I mean, look at or react to with? I don't know, but that's my plan. I want to go for a movie alone. Since I've turned 33, I want to do a few new things that I have not done before. So movie, I know it's not a big thing, it's a small thing, but baby steps at a time. So yeah, I feel like going for a movie alone. And when is that going to happen? Soon. When? I have no idea, but it's going to happen. And yeah, I also got Basundi. I don't know if you'll know what is Basundi. Once again, I'll get it in. So I got Basundi from Punjab Sindh. It's a rich, creamy, it's Basundi, rich, creamy, and absolutely heavenly. I don't know if anyone has eaten this. I'm sure you all have, but it's like you know what? It's like rabdi. Have you all eaten rabdi? It's similar, I think, to that. I'm not sure if I'm doing justice to the product. So I know my sister is watching this. Fato, you can skip for the next maybe 10 seconds. You can skip it because I'm going to have this and I know you're not going to like this. So here we go. If y'all have not tried this, go try it. Till I go off sugar back again, I'm being a little greedy right now, okay? But yeah, I think this is worth eating. If y'all want to try it, go and try it. Really nice. I was searching for the ingredients just so that you'll have an idea of what it is. Ingredients is milk solids, sugar, and cardamom. Literally, that's it. So yeah, taste it if y'all want to. It's very liquidy actually. See, usually they give a straw. I don't know how come they've not given a straw.